All right, everyone. We are diving further and deeper into yellow fever. We are investigating, we are thinking about clues. We are really starting to try to do what we can to understand more about this kind of crazy and difficult time in the world um, about 100 years ago or 200 years ago, depending on when we're reading about it. So, first things first, we've got a couple images that we need to look at. So, the first image has three people. And what's important is that you are taking a look at their body language, at their faces, and trying to infer what emotions, what are they trying to explain or tell with that body language. Additionally, there are smaller clues placed throughout the image that are going to give you a better idea of um, what this picture represents. So, something to think about is a picture can be figurative. It doesn't mean exactly what the illustration says, it's trying to represent a larger idea, more concrete idea through its illustration. So, look at some of these clues. And we've got our second picture here. Pay attention to what looks like is happening in the picture, but also start to think about comparing and contrasting images. If you're trying to understand what's wrong with this person, what do you think this person should look like? What is normal? What is regular to look like? And what looks different for maybe the person's face, what the person is covered in, all that kind of stuff. What is normal and what's different about this picture? You're going to write two sentences about what's going on in each picture and then describe two details that capture your attention or stand out to you. And then, which idea about yellow fever do you understand based on the details from the picture? What do you think the illustrators want the viewer to understand about what they drew? So just pick one of those pictures and you're going to write that down in the different boxes and then move on to activity 3.